Jacob Skoll with Brandon Zor. Way enough. All 8, sitting ready at 3/4. Brandon, tap it. Brandon, keep tapping. Way enough. Jacob, the light tap. Way enough. Take a breath. Jacob, light tap. Way enough. Here we go. Pry in half. 3/4. Lengthen together. Full. High 10 and 10. 9. Nice. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Lengthen and 2. That's 2. 1. Lengthen and boom. That's 1. 2:46. 3:42. 4. Lengthening out. 5. 6:39. 7. Come on, guys. 8. Pressure. 9. 123. 10. Power 10 and 10. 9:38. 7. 127. 6. 5 in 5th here. 4. Push it. 3. 128. 2. 39. 1. All right, guys. Lengthening out. Finding that. Let's settle at 36 here. Come on. 39. Lengthen. 37. 127. Staying together. All right. We have 2 boats behind us. 4 ahead. Come on, guys. We gotta push it still. 132. 36. Nice. It's close. We're 2 seats down from lane 6. We're about 4 seats down from the boat in the lead. Keeping it up. 133. 37. Nice. Staying together and backing it in. Getting that length. Nice. Nice and strong here. Keeping that pressure. 130. 37. Come on, guys. Let's hit that 36 with the length. There you go. Don't lay off on the drive here. 131. Still at that 37. Come on, guys. There's boats falling behind. You guys need to stay focused. There you go. Keeping that pressure. We're going to win this by staying nice and steady here. Steady. Holding strong. 133. There you go. Nice. 36. Moving together. Nice and level. Nice. Backing it in. Keep it up. We're falling behind here, guys. Falling away from the pack. Let's keep up. 138. Let's keep it down. We need sub 135 here. Let's go. Push it. Nice. 37. All right. Power 10 to get up on lane 6. That's 10. 9. 138. 7. 6. We got to hold on. 5. 4. What can you do? 3. Come on. 2. 136. 1. Nice. Rate 36 here. Holding steady. Hanging with the pack. Come on, guys. Got to keep it up. Got to stay strong. Fighting for it here. 36. Almost 1,000 meters in. Looking good. They're looking really tired there. You guys got to stay focused. Staying strong. Nice and level. 136. Rate 36. Nice. Nice and strong here. Getting ready to make our move. Pulling ahead. Moving ahead of the pack here. All right, guys. Focus 5. Then we'll make our move. That's 5. Level. 4. Nice and tall. 3. Backing it in. 2. Eyes forward. 1. All right, here we go. Making the move. Power 5. That's 5. Bringing it down. 4. 138. 3. 2. 140. Let's go. 1. Pressure. Technique 10. 9. Level. 8. Back it in. 7. Together. 6. 137. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Power 5. That's 5. 4. 3. Keeping that length. 2. 1:36. All right, guys, let's hit that 34 here. All right, 35, lengthening it out. All right, we have about 4 boats ahead. We're not gonna kill it too hard on this one, guys. All right, 35, all the way through. There you go, nice. 139, keep it sub 140. 34 right here, holding steady. All right, nice. There you go. Hanging in there, 35, keeping that pressure. Come on, guys, don't lose focus on me. We gotta do this together. 143, where's that sub 140? Let's go. You can do this. Don't slack off on me now. 36, let's go, guys. Back it in. Get that length. Focus, nice and level, staying together. There you go, together, 143, 35, nice. All right, hanging in there. This is the third 500. This is where you gotta fight for it. There you go. Come on, guys, breaking through that mental wall here. Hanging in, 36, 142. Nice, staying together, backing it in. There you go. All right, hitting that 500 mark here. In just about 10 strokes, we're gonna take our sprint, bring it in all the way to the end. Come on, 144, you're slacking off on me. Hang in there, let's go. All right, here we go, making the sprint. Power 10 to lift the rate. That's 10 together. 9, 35, 8, 7, 6, 5, 35, 4, let's see that 36, 3, there you go, 36, 2, together. 1, 36 right here, technique 10 to stay level and together. That's 10, focus. 9, back it in. 8, 7, 36, 6, 142, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, power 10 here, that's 10. Come on, guys, push it. 9, this is the sprint. 8, 143, 7, 6, 37, 5, let's go. 4, 143, 3, I should see 140, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna do another power 10 here. You guys gotta pick it up. You guys gotta move. Ready, and 10, 9, 137, 8, pressure starboard, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 140, 2, 1. Stay together, guys. Keep it together. 34, almost to the end here. 100 meters left. Let's go. That's 10, 9, 8, push it. 7, 6, 142, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and paddle. Paddle here, staying together. You guys gotta paddle.
Paddle.
Way enough, way enough. Way to fight.